katna jengok kai ke jala uba polling do ulaong bagi don kumba khat san lak ngut ki brio ki ba Wankai Nabar syakani ke jala ha ka shisnem bat Lada Uwei upenut antat san Hajar Katno ke yok kakot ke Kiew ha kerana ka khat phra tarik nai tung arja pusau uba pol ulaong batang na ka jingdon ka kam jengok kai ki brio halat lum sora kila imbet tang na ka kam jengok kai bat kadai kalat Kamai ki samla ulaong baka sorka jala ka kwa banwan ra ya ka rup we kabayar ringkat kerdan bat kaperthai bat gajing pen kre ban shna ya ka rup we kan sedang no shen ha urisau banwan na lum shilong shalaban
Shisha pide ban shim kumne gain ba lara khatsan lak ki brio ki wan shisna shani kenyen la da way Pyllut average san hajaru Katno ke ekonomi jungi ke Kiew tang na ka jing don jo ke tourism sector mendaru ki brio hakishnong kum halait lum ki brio kum hasora kila imbet almost solely tang na ka tourism te ngai kam don kata ka kadai ban ka major means of livelihood na benda ki samla ki jongi. See, we would like, I will only reply where the tourism department is concerned. We would like to ensure that we have a world-class roadway project installed in Melia. So we are in the last leg of issuing fresh corrigendum, but as you are aware, the working season here begins after the monsoons. By early October, we should be able to see that the project actually takes off. The official inauguration has already been done by the President of India. Work on the ground should start by October.
Projects like e-buggies and electric buses, but
I'm not aware, those are within transport department.